Hi and welcome everyone. You're watching Tectonic. Those who are new, this is your friend Siddharth, and in this channel I share technical tips and tricks mostly related to Excel and Windows. So first of all, I would like to thank all of you who have subscribed this channel and like my last video. So please keep supporting me and motivating me. Okay, so let's get started. So today I would share one of my favorite tips and tricks on Excel, which is how you can combine text of one cell with multiple other cells. The Excel function which I'm going to use is concatenate and text join function. So a little brief about concatenate function. In Excel 2016 and Excel for the web, this function has been replaced with the concat function, although the concat function is still available for backward compatibility. So concat is one of the text function to join two or more text strings into one string. The text join function on the other side combines the text from multiple ranges and strings and includes a delimiter specified by the user between each text value that will be combined. Okay, so straight away let's jump into Excel. So as you can see on your screen, I have two columns over here. So this is some random text in column A and there's some words in column B. My requirement is to combine these two texts in this format. So apple underscore pie comma mango underscore pie and so on for pie. Okay, so if I move the formula here, then the same thing is going to be concatenated with sorbet. Okay, so yeah, so that's my requirement. So all these words needs to be concatenated with all these words separated by comma, right? So let's start writing the formula. What I'll do is I will just concatenate all the text with underscore first. So let me type down concatenate, then all my ranges. Okay, so from apple to elephant, and then comma, then my second text is underscore, and then my third text will be the one which is pie. But what we need to do is we need to lock this range, otherwise when we drag down the formula it's going to mess it up. So to lock it, I'll just select the range and hit F4. Okay, so that range is locked now. Okay, and hit enter. So this is what concatenate function returns. It just returns the whole dynamic array for all these concatenation. Okay, so if you're satisfied with this output, you can go with it, or if you need all these things to be separated by comma on a single cell, then you're on my kind of requirement. So I need this similar I have the similar kind of requirement where all these text needs to be comma separated on a single cell. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so here we are going to use the text join function. Text join. So text join function, as I explained earlier, it looks for a delimiter. A delimiter in this case, on this example, we have a delimiter comma, right? And the second argument is just ask whether you want to ignore the empty cells or include the empty cells. So I would just say true. So in that case, if you have any empty cell, that's going to be ignored in this whole formula. Okay, that is it. And the third argument is the text which is coming out of this particular formula. In this sample, these are the text. Okay, so all these are going to be comma separated on a single cell. Okay, so let me close this down. We close the text join function and hit enter. So you can see that all these texts are concatenated with pi. Similarly, if I drag it down, so going to concatenate in a similar manner with sorbet, here with hand. So even if you put anything on the next, so if you drag it down, it's going to do the same thing. Alright, this was a very quick one, but sometimes these quickies are very important. Yeah, so that was it from me. If you have learned new one, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing this channel. And if you have any questions related to this, or if you want me to cover any other topic, then please comment down below. Alright, that was all I have for you today. See you next time. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.